Yo, what's up everybody, it's TT here, and today we're diving deep into the world of fitness earbuds with the Beats Powerbeats 2 Pro. These bad boys are designed for workouts, pushing your limits, and of course, delivering that signature beat sound. Whether you're hitting the gym, pounding the pavement, or crushing a home workout, having the right soundtrack can make all the difference. The Powerbeats 2 Pro aim to be your perfect workout partner, but do they live up to the hype? Let's find out. We'll break down everything from design and comfort to battery life, heart rate monitoring, and most importantly, how these earbuds actually sound. Stay tuned to see if the Powerbeats 2 Pro are the ultimate fitness earbuds you've been waiting for. Let's get started. One of the first things you'll notice about the Powerbeats 2 Pro is their secure fit ear hook design. These hooks are designed to keep the earbuds locked in place no matter how intense your workout gets. Beats made some serious improvements with the 2 Pro, offering a more comfortable and customizable fit. The ear hooks are now more flexible and adjustable, ensuring a snug fit for a wider range of ear shapes and sizes. The earbuds also come with multiple ear tip options, allowing you to find the perfect seal for optimal noise isolation and sound quality. And let's be real, nobody wants their earbuds falling out mid-burpee. Overall, Beats really stepped up their game in the design department, making the Powerbeats 2 Pro a comfortable and secure option for even the toughest workouts. Battery life is crucial for any fitness earbuds, and the Powerbeats 2 Pro don't disappoint. These earbuds pack a punch with up to 9 hours of listening time on a single charge. That's more than enough juice to power you through multiple workouts without needing to reach for the charging case. And speaking of the charging case, it provides an additional 18 hours of battery life, giving you a total of 27 hours of on-the-go listening. Plus, with fast fuel charging, a quick 5-minute charge will give you an extra hour of playtime, perfect for those times when you forget to charge and need to get your workout in. No more excuses for skipping a workout because of dead earbuds. Section 4. Listen to your heart rate monitoring on your wrist. Now, let's talk heart rate monitoring. While the Powerbeats 2 Pro don't have built-in heart rate sensors, they're designed to seamlessly integrate with other fitness trackers and smartwatches. This means you can still keep tabs on your heart rate during your workouts, using your preferred device to track your progress. Simply pair your earbuds with your smartwatch or fitness tracker, and you're good to go. This integration allows you to focus on what matters most, crushing your fitness goals. Section 5. Seamless connections, compatibility, and performance. When it comes to compatibility, the Powerbeats 2 Pro play nicely with both iOS and Android devices. Pairing is quick and easy thanks to Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which ensures a stable and reliable connection. You won't have to worry about annoying dropouts or audio lag, even during high-intensity workouts. And with a range of up to 30 feet, you've got the freedom to move around without being tethered to your device. Whether you're Team Apple or Team Android, the Powerbeats 2 Pro have got you covered. Section 6. The soundtrack to your success, audio quality. Of course, none of this matters if the earbuds don't sound good. Fortunately, the Powerbeats 2 Pro deliver that signature beat sound with powerful bass and clear highs. The audio is tuned for workouts, providing an energetic and motivating listening experience. The noise isolation is also impressive, thanks to the secure fit and multiple ear tip options. You'll be able to stay focused on your workout without distractions from the outside world. While the sound quality might not satisfy audiophiles, it's definitely more than adequate for workouts and everyday listening. Section 7. The verdict power through your workouts. So there you have it, folks. The Beats Powerbeats 2 Pro are a solid choice for fitness enthusiasts looking for secure, comfortable earbuds with great battery life and a punchy sound signature. The improved design, long battery life, and seamless device compatibility make them a great option for workouts. While they might not have all the bells and whistles of some other high-end fitness earbuds like built-in heart rate monitoring, their strengths lie in their secure fit, reliable performance, and motivating sound. If you're looking for earbuds that can keep up with your active lifestyle, the Powerbeats 2 Pro are definitely worth checking out. Peace out.